If you want to download GCam on your Android smartphone, then this video is for you. Click on that below link and open this web page. After open this web page, just search for your mobile, which brand and which phone you are using. I am here using Realme X2, so I am click on that download option. After that, just click on that another APK file which is above there. Now for download the APK, and click on that above the link. As you can see, the download will started. It will take some time as per your the internet connection. After successful download that APK file, you have to just click on that APK file and install that APK file. After click on the install button, it will take some time to install the APK file. As you can see, it's installing. After successfully installed, you have to just open that file and click on that allow option. If you comes, it will pop up for the allow option. Click on that allow. After that,